Matter of urgency is to support our children to be able to go to school. If the current trend continues and there's not going to be any intervention, the candidates for this year will not be able to sit for their exams. Enrollment in most of the schools have already dropped. There has been very serious dropouts, especially in the pastoral areas. So basically, the situation is really dire. And if this trend continues to April 2022, when we'll be expecting the next rains, then we are going to lose so many lives.
I want to thank Brother Ruben Kigamwa for accepting to be the ambassador of hope in addressing the needs of the people in the north who are being ravaged by drought. Actually, it's not just drought, it is a severe drought due to failed rainy season over the last 4 years.
Kubali request yao kwamba niwe balozi wa tumaini, ambassador of hope, kwa sababu ya janga hili, na nimekubali na nitabeba kwa unyenyekevu. Nitakuja katika sehemu tofauti tofauti za Kenya ili kuomba msaada wenu, sio kwangu ila ni kwa ndugu zetu na dada zetu, wazee wetu, watoto wetu ambao wanaangamia na mifugo yao inaangamia pia.